Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Glossybox, a monthly beauty subscription, and they have a special box this month. I love it. It says Perfectly Imperfect. What do you think, Abby? Do you like it? So, like I said, Glossybox is a monthly subscription. It normally costs $21 per month, but I do have two links I'll leave down below. If you want to subscribe for a full year, so annually, you can get your first box for only $1 using the link below. And I'll also leave another link that gets your first box for $16. For the first month, and then after that it will be $21 monthly. So you get at least $70 or $80 worth of value in this box, sometimes more. This is kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored. And yeah, before we get to it, hey guys, welcome back, and thank you to everyone who said happy birthday to me yesterday. I appreciate it so much. Sorry I didn't post yesterday, I just kind of took the day off. Plus I didn't really get any boxes till today, so, but now we have some. So yeah, if you guys are into subscription boxes, I typically post a video every single day here, like unboxing or some type of subscription box content at 5 p.m. Eastern time. So I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't yet already, but let's get into Glossybox. Again, so cute, and I love the colors. It's like a mirror on the inside. Kind of blurry. Is there like a little thing? Oh my god, so cool. I was just about to ask you guys if you repurposed it. Look at. Oh, and you can see my lake outside. This is so cute. It says you are beautiful. Oh, and it says it in other languages too. That's so cute. I mean, I'm kind of looking a little rough. I was just outside. It's like super hot here. But that's really cute. So definitely a box you can get repurposed out of, like store your makeup in there or something and have a mirror nearby. That's nice. And then as always, it's wrapped up in some pretty string, and there is a little pamphlet here with all the information about what's inside, with a beautiful one, of course. Oh my gosh, and look at it. There's stickers. I love stickers. I have a Mercari store and I always like to sticker my bags if I have some. Emmy, what are you doing over there? Come over here. Can you guys see her? I constantly have to move around her toys for her entertainment. This is so cute. Self-love juice. For every rainy day, there's a rainbow. You are enough. Yes. Oh, I love this theme. And you know, I love how they package everything. Look at the tissue and the string match the colors of the box. And I still can't get over there's a mirror in here. Emmy, come here. So Perfectly Imperfect. And then there'll be a little note from the editors, and I'll talk about everything that's inside. So you get a mix of deluxe size and full size in Glossybox. And it says at Glossy HQ, well, first it says, hey Glossies. At Glossy HQ, we are loving the newest must-have cosmetics and experimenting with trendy techniques, but our aim is always to help every Glossy feel as happy and confident as possible. So forget perfect, forget beauty ideals. We want you to feel truly wonderful in your own skin. I love this message this month. That's amazing. So let's see what we have inside. Emmy, look at. She has like no interest. What? Emmy. String. Here is a peek of what is inside. So first thing here is by Daily Concepts, the Daily Body Scrubber. I have one like this. I think it's by this company, but it's thinner, and I used it the other day, actually. It's nice to exfoliate, especially before you shave and stuff like that, but just, you know, get dry skin off, especially like after this winter. And there's like a little handle here too, so you can, oh, and there's a little thing that you put onto your bathroom like wall. So like, why can't I think of it? Like a little hook that comes with this too for the scrubber. So that's nice. And all of their items come with this little like thing on it that once it's like used up and ready to refresh your sponge or whatever it is you have from them, like the scrubber, the words will fade, so you know it's time to get rid of it, because like they can harbor bacteria after a long time. And it's organic, vegan, and biodegradable. Cruelty-free. Next up, I was just thinking how I need new dry shampoo. My hair's a little, you can't really tell right now. This is by Maria Nila. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. Invisidry shampoo. Oops, did it fall? Oh no. Vegan and cruelty-free dry shampoo. Awesome. I don't really like the one I have right now. I got it as like a FabFitFun add-on forever ago. Maybe it's just like expired, but I am in need of some dry shampoo. I'm super happy about that. And an Elemis product. I've never tried this cleanser, but I've tried the moisturizer in this line. This is the Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser. And honestly, I've liked everything by Elemis that I have tried. It's focusing on Emmy and not the product. What do you think? Right here. Will it fall again? Okay. Come on. I have 2 more items to go. By Aceology, we have a rose petal mask. So this is a mask for your skin. Apply a thick layer of the mask to clean skin and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. I like their lip mask. I would just use that as like a overnight like lip balm or during the day too. So this sounds nice. And then last but not least, oh my god, this is so cute. We have a little mini lip gloss. Oh no, it's a clear brow gel. Cool, I actually could use one. The Beauty Crop BFF Brow Friends Forever. So it looks teeny. I was thinking it was a lip product, but this is actually probably standard size for a brow product. It's just clear. Enriched with nourishing vitamin E and conditioning castor oil. Ooh, so I wonder if it helps. It tamed your brows and conditions them, so maybe my brows will finally grow out more. I want like big, full brows. I feel like everyone wants what they don't have, but I think that would be awesome. So that was it, you guys. So we have this brow gel, the rose petal mask dry shampoo, Elemis cleanser, this little body scrubber, and stickers, and a reusable box with a mirror. I think I'm the most excited about the dry shampoo because I like need this, and I'm excited to try it out. And it's a brand I've never tried, so that's always fun. And the brow gel too, I could use some. I was actually thinking about that earlier today too. That always seems to happen, which is pretty freaking cool. But that's it for today. What do you think, Emmy? Whoa. I guess she's done here too. Let me know your thoughts on Glossybox. And again, the links will be down below if you're interested in subscribing. Thank you guys so much for being here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you for being here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. And also, I'll leave a link down below to my other channel if you are into spirituality and tarot and astrology and all of that. I have another channel called Kitty Outside the Box. So I would love it if you check that out too. But no matter what, I just hope you're well. I love you and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.